Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Bedrock for model access and orchestration step by step clearly. To activate AWS Bedrock for model access and orchestration, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Bedrock service by searching for it in the service search bar. Once on the Bedrock dashboard, click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will need to select the desired Amazon Web Services region that supports Bedrock. After choosing your region, proceed to the Create a Bedrock instance. Fill in the required information for your instance name, description, and any tag. Set your instance type based on the workload and expected usage you anticipate. Next, configure the access and security settings by selecting an appropriate VPC and security group. Make sure to enable permissions for your instance to access other AWS services you may need for model orchestration. Review your selections and configurations to ensure everything is set correctly. Once satisfied, click the Create Instance button to initiate the setup. Monitor the progress of your instance creation from the Bedrock dashboard. After your instance is active, navigate to the Models section to explore the available models. Select the specific model you want to access for your project and click on it. Here, you will find details about the model, including its capabilities and prerequisites. To orchestrate the model, copy the provided endpoint URL for API access. In your application, use this endpoint to interact with the model programmatically. Ensure your application has the necessary AWS SDK or API libraries to facilitate communication. Before making requests, set up your authentication credentials through AWS IAM. You may need to configure appropriate policies that allow your application to access Bedrock. With everything set up, start sending requests to your selected model using the endpoint and your configured credentials. Monitor the responses from the model to ensure it's functioning as expected. Adjust your application logic as needed based on the model's performance and outputs. You now have successfully activated AWS Bedrock for model access and orchestration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.